Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to delete Facebook watch history. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet. Once connected with the internet, simply go and open your Facebook application. In Facebook application, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Here, scroll down below and under the help and support option, tap on settings and privacy. Here, tap on settings. In settings, scroll down a little bit and tap on activity log. Under the your information, tap on activity log. Here, again scroll down below and tap on logged actions and other activity, your devices, logins, videos you have watched and more. So tap on this option. Here you see second option is videos you have watched. So tap on there. Here you can see your watch history, and if you want to clear this watch history, tap on clear video watch history, and this way you can delete the watch history. But before you go, please like, share and subscribe.